Jamie and Jacobs, and I am a 5th and 6th grade science teacher at the Friends School of Portland. We got a grant a couple of years ago from the Casco Bay Estuary Foundation to get rid of a bunch of bittersweet on Mackworth Island and then replant it with native plants. And today is our big celebration. Today's the day we actually get to put the plants in the ground. But this represents a year and a half of work on the kids' part. The kids have worked in teams figuring out what would be good species to plant. So we've gone to greenhouses, we went to the yardscaping demonstration in Portland, we went to Maine Audubon and talked to them. So it's been a great, combining of all these community resources with the kids at a time when they're just so ripe for, figuring out where they belong in the world and what people do in the world. And now to see them today digging in the dirt and actually getting to do this stuff that we've talked about, that I've been psyched about for years, it's neat. It's really neat. It's the core of our science and social studies program right now. How does the science and the social studies and the economics all kind of come together? And what are the jobs out there in the real world? And what do people do when they care about the environment? And how can they make a difference? Before I became a teacher, I was a field biologist. So my path in life, I was a researcher first and was studying animals and birds and worked for Maine Audubon and Acadia and stuff. And then I started teaching teachers how to come out into the field and work with kids. And I realized I was on the wrong side of the equation, that what the teachers were doing was really cool, and it's where my passion was. So I became a teacher. But now as a teacher, I'm bringing back my field biology roots and trying to get the kids to see all that goes into doing real science. All age levels have participated. So I think everybody feels a sense of ownership. They're so connected to this piece of land and to this island. And I just kind of realized yesterday, Friends School of Portland isn't going to be on Mackworth for much longer. We have another year and a half, I think. But this is like a present to the island for helping to give birth to our wonderful school. It just feels so good to be contributing something of lasting importance, even though our school's going to move on. So